Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide online status on WhatsApp application. So before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure that you've updated your application. Firstly, open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open the application, the interface kind of look like this. And on this following page, in the top right corner there is three dot icon. Tap on it. Once you do that, there is a drop down menu. From there you'll have to tap on settings. As you tap on settings on the other page, tap on account. Once you tap on account, there you have a multiple option. From here you'll have to tap on privacy. As you tap on privacy on the other page, once again there is a list of options. Right on top you can see there is last seen, so then tap on it. Right now anyone can see my online status or my active status, so then in order to hide it, all you have to do is select on nobody. And in case if you only want selective contact to see your online status or your active status, so then tap on my contacts accept. And once you do that, on the other page you have a list of options, so from here you'll have to select to whom you want to show your active status or your online status. So as our topic is based on how to hide your online status, all you have to do is tap on nobody. Now nobody will be able to see your online status or your active status, and that is how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp application. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.